Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts. Let's check out Bell's 3/4 touring Bluetooth ready MAG-9. The MAG-9 is Bell's 3/4 touring helmet that is Bluetooth ready and sunshade equipped. It also has a sun visor or peak on the top here, and it comes in at only $179. It is DOT with a polycarbonate shell and weighing just over 3 pounds. There's a lot to like in this helmet. I think it looks and feels and fits like a helmet that should cost at least double this price. The liner is beautiful, and they've just done a lot of great stuff, starting with the ventilation. 3/4 helmets typically don't have a ton of extra ventilation. They think that you're gonna get enough air coming in through the front of the helmet, but Bell has put in these giant scoops here on the front with awesome switches that really have a good feel and are easy to use with a glove. On the back, you have a big exhaust ports, Venturi exhaust pulling helmet air up and over the top of your head. The liner has spaces where the air can actually get in and onto your scalp. We like that a lot. This helmet can be used in a couple different configurations. Number one is as you see it here. You can also run it without this peak. They include this these little side covers to cover up where this peak is bolting on. So you can run it without that. To be honest with you, they've designed this so that it doesn't pull in the wind, this peak here, but it really doesn't come out very far. I have a hard time believing that it blocks a whole lot of sun, but it does look good, and they've designed it in a way so it doesn't pull on you. Underneath here, this is UV and fog treated, which is great. We'll lift that up and we will expose the gunfighter or sun shield here, and that pops right up. And to put it down, you work this big lever. It actually takes quite a bit of force, but it's spring loaded and retracts, which is pretty cool. Over here, you will see that this helmet is Bluetooth ready. It is meant to be used with the Bell specific SMH10 from Sena. And if you already have an SMH10, you can just buy the Bell adapter kit for the microphone rig. It also works with a Scala Rider Q1 or Q3. Again, you have to buy the Bell specific rig to get that to bolt in here, but it has all the spots for the speaker, and you just flush mount the computer right there, which is really sweet. So if we look at the front of this, we'll look at the removable washable liner. Traditional D-ring closure. This liner has a kind of a micro suede feel, almost like a high-end Alcantara liner. The fit is true intermediate oval with 2 shell sizes. It goes extra small, large in one shell, and then the second shell is extra large through 3X. I typically wear an XL. This fit me true, which is nice. A lot of 3/4 helmets, the way they stack their shell sizes means big guys with bigger heads usually don't fit them great. But this thing was a real nice place to be. It fit like an XL should. So I think this MAG-9 is a great option for someone that's looking for an open-face touring helmet that's not gonna break the bank. Again, it's got all the bells and whistles you could want. You're gonna have to pick up that Sena separately, but this thing is high quality, high fit and finish with a 5-year warranty from Bell. You won't have to worry about that. Again, it's the Bell MAG-9 for $179 at Speed Addicts. Remember, we have the Addicted Fit guarantee, so if your Bell MAG-9 doesn't fit perfect out of the box, let us know. Free exchanges, free returns with no restocking fees. Thanks for watching, everybody, and ride safe.